Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain if you can order food from Zepto. Zepto primarily focuses on ultra-fast grocery and essential item deliveries, aiming to bring items to your doorstep in minutes. This rapid delivery model has made it a popular choice for daily necessities. However, the platform's core service is distinct from traditional restaurant food delivery. We will clarify whether cooked meals are part of their current offerings. Zepto's primary business model is dedicated to delivering groceries and everyday essentials with incredible speed. They utilize a network of strategically located dark stores, which are small warehouses stocked with thousands of items. This setup allows their delivery riders to fulfill orders in just a few minutes, from accepting the order to dropping it off at your door. They are designed for your immediate grocery needs, not for cooked meals. While Zepto does not deliver hot, prepared meals from restaurants, you can certainly order many food-related items. This includes fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and a variety of packaged foods like chips, cookies, and soft drinks. They also stock frozen goods, such as ice cream or some pre-made frozen dishes that you can cook at home. The convenience lies in getting these daily necessities delivered in about 10 minutes or less. In conclusion, if you are craving a hot pizza, a fresh sushi roll, or any other restaurant-prepared meal, Zepto is not currently your go-to platform. For those specific needs, dedicated food delivery services like Swiggy, Zomato, or Uber Eats are specifically designed to bring restaurant meals to your door. Zepto excels in its niche, providing incredibly fast access to groceries and essentials, making your pantry stocking or urgent supply runs much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.